Biasa Pak, mogok.
Wah, kebetulan di sana ada bengkel. Mari saya bantu dorong.
If you smell what the rock is cooking. After fire, I'm military. After fire, bitches are scary. After fire, I'm military. After fire, but this over the world is mine.
Saya tilang aja ya.
After fire, I'm military.